Hi, I'm Will Webster with Webster & Greeno, and I want to talk to you briefly about parenting time during the COVID-19. Fear of the coronavirus, school closings, social distancing, quarantine has caused a lot of confusion with respect to the Indiana parenting time guidelines. And so we're getting calls from our office, and I want to go over some of the questions that we're receiving. Now, it's important to remember that in parenting time cases, the standard is the best interest of the child. And the courts presume that parenting time is in the best interest of the child. So if you withhold parenting time, keep in mind the law already presumes that you are not acting in the best interest of the child. And that can expose you to contempt, that could expose you to a modification of parenting time, and possibly a modification of custody. So it's really important to keep that standard in mind during these difficult times. So one question we often get again is, I'm concerned with the coronavirus, can I withhold parenting time? And concern alone or fear alone, in my opinion, is not sufficient to withhold parenting time from the non-custodial parent. However, if the non-custodial parent or if the other parent has in fact is sick or has symptoms or has been around someone and is in quarantine, then I think that may be sufficient reason to withhold parenting time. But again, keep in mind you should take every reasonable steps you can to make the child available via phone or via video chat. And certainly when that situation passes, that you make the child readily available for make-up parenting time or additional parenting time. The other question we get is, with school closures, do we still follow the school breaks pursuant to Indiana parenting time guidelines? And again, in my opinion, if the non-custodial parent has, or you have spring break coming up, that you make that child available for the spring break, even though currently there's no school is closed. And if you find yourself in this type of situation, again, I wanted to point out, it's important that you keep accurate records as far as text messages and emails. So remember, anything you send to the other parent could be viewed by a judge, so keep all your communication civil. And again, you want to clearly state your reasons why you're withholding, state your concerns, and then also want to document the efforts you're making to make the child available via phone or video chat and efforts you made for the make-up parenting time. That'll go a long way if you find yourself in front of a judge after the situation passes. So again, if you have any questions about parenting time, certainly how parenting time and the coronavirus interplay, and need some guidance and direction, my name is Will Webster with Webster & Greeno. We're here to help.